Hello, my name is Will Ralston, president of SinglePoint, ticker symbol SING. SinglePoint invests in an array of different companies such as solar, hemp, and ancillary cannabis businesses. Most recently, we acquired 51% of Direct Solar, a company that has really been leading the charge in acquiring new customers on the commercial and residential side. Since the acquisition of Direct Solar, SinglePoint has dramatically increased its revenues and expects that at the year end of 2018, the company will have doubled SinglePoint's current revenue output. We're very excited to continue the aggressive growth of SinglePoint through synergistic acquisitions to support our portfolio companies, as well as continue supporting the portfolio in their growth. As our portfolio companies continue to grow, we expect our revenue to increase dramatically. Thank you for watching. My name is Will Ralston, president of SinglePoint, OTC ticker symbol SING.